Every morning you re-explain your business to Claude because it forgot you overnight. There's one feature called Projects, and it fixes it for good. So let's go build it. See, here's the real problem. You carry your whole business in your head, and Claude sees none of it. The clients, the projects, the priorities, the history, the way you talk, the reasons behind decisions you made months ago. Every single time you open Claude, it knows none of it. You are essentially briefing a brilliant stranger from scratch every time. That is why Claude feels useful, but never essential. A stranger can help with a task. A stranger cannot run point on your business because it doesn't know it. And a tool with no memory stays a stranger forever. But here's the good news. The fix is already sitting inside your Claude account, and most business owners never open it. We'll build it here in a minute. The leaders getting real leverage did one thing differently. They stopped chatting with Claude and gave it a memory inside the project feature I named in the first 10 seconds of this video. Now, once you do that, Claude stops being a smart stranger and starts acting like a chief of staff who has been with you for years. It takes really one sitting, and here's what goes inside it. There are two pieces. The first is your operating brief. This is the one document that tells Claude who you are, what the business does, who your clients are, and what your current priorities are. And also, it wants to sound just like you when you write. Not a novel, one clear page. This is the context you are tired of repeating, written down once, so you never repeat it again. The second piece is your running log. This is where you dump the things that used to live only in your head, decisions and why you made them, notes from a client call, the direction you gave your team, a number that matters. You are not organizing it. You are just putting it somewhere that Claude can read it, and so the context compounds instead of evaporating into the atmosphere. Then you house both of these inside a project. A project is simply a space where Claude reads your brief and your log at the start of every conversation. And it's automatic. That's the whole trick. You set the memory once, and every chat from then on begins with Claude already knowing your business. Now, one quick thing so you're not confused. Later, if you poke around in your settings area of Claude, you'll see Claude has its own general memory that quietly learns about you as you go. Just leave that alone for now. It helps, but that one runs in the background and you don't really steer or control it. That's a part that you can just skip, as I mentioned. But to make Claude know your business on purpose, it's in the project. The setting learns about you. The project is where you put the business. We're building the project. Now watch what changes. You ask Claude to draft a client email, and it sounds like you because it has your voice already attached on file. You ask about a decision from 3 weeks ago, and it remembers the reasoning because you logged it. It stops asking you the same questions every time because the answers are already there. It stops being a tool you operate and starts being a partner that knows the operation. This is the difference between using Claude and having Claude. Most people are stuck operating it, rebriefing it, babysitting it. The ones pulling ahead built it as a brain once and now delegate to it something that actually it remembers. And it scales past you. If your team is on Claude together, you can actually also share the project so everyone works from the same brain. One source of truth, people carrying 5 different versions of the business in their heads. One quick side note, because you'll hear the word skills, memory is what Claude knows about you. The project is where the work lives and how you want a specific job done every time. You don't need it to start. Park the whole skills conversation for later. So tonight, I have a task for you. Do one thing. Pick the project you started and never finished. Open Claude, create a single project, and write the operating brief and the things that I mentioned. I'm going to put this below the video as well. Put who you are, what the business does, your priority, your voice. One page, and then paste it in. Then open a new chat inside that project and ask it something only someone who knows your business could answer. Watch it answer. You'll be amazed. That's the moment it stops being a stranger. Do it today. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.